Here's how to change your PC username on Windows 11. I'll show you several ways you can quickly change your PC username. So if you want to change your Windows username, which is a username on your Windows account, this is how you can go about it. The first method, right click on the Windows icon and then click on Run. In the open section, you want to enter this code. I'm going to be leaving every code mentioned in the description to this video. Enter the code and then click on OK. Here under your user's account, make sure the account is selected and then click on Properties. Under username, you can change the Windows username to any username you want. Once you're done, click on Apply and then click on OK. Click on OK, and for this to take effect, you need to sign out and then sign back in. Click on the Windows icon in this section and then right click on your account in this section. If you already have any pending update to your username, you will see the changes in this section. To sign out, you need to click on Sign Out and then sign back in. After signing back in, you should now see that your Windows username has now been updated. The second way you can change your username, right click on Windows again and go to Run. Here you want to enter the second code and then click on OK. Open the user's file and you see the section where your current Windows user's name is showing. Right click on your username and then click on Rename. Enter the new username and then enter on your keyboard. This will automatically be saved. You can confirm when you click on the Windows icon and then right click here again. You should now see the new Windows username that is pending updates. Sign out and sign in again and your Windows username will be changed. There's also an option to change via Control Panel. You can come to the search section here and search for Control Panel. Click on Control Panel to open the Control Panel. If you're seeing something different from what's on my screen, simply click on the Category section and change from large or small icon to Categories. Then click on Account Type. Double click on your account and you see Change the account name. Click on Change account name and enter the new account username. Click on Change and you need to sign out and sign back in. So thank you for watching this video and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe and have the post notification turned on.